Hello friends, this is just a method to make you prepare you to speak English. And my dear students, if you are really interested to learn English, then write down the whole conversation and its audio translation you will get at the end of this video. So don't skip the video, watch from the beginning till end.
हेलो वो तनु दीदी व्हाट हैपेंड चिकुन इज वेरी पुअर इन इंग्लिश वेट आई विल डू समथिंग फॉर हिम
What happened?
चिकुन माय सिस्टर सन माय नेफ्यू इज वेरी पुअर इन इंग्लिश
These days, learning English is no doubt it's quite essential.
बट वी डोंट हैव इंग्लिश सराउंडिंग
Yes, you are right. That is why it is difficult for us to learn this language.
रियली इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर चिल्ड्रेन टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज पर्टिकुलरली दोज हु आर इन आवर ओडिया मीडियम स्कूल
Is this language a difficult task for all to learn?
Of course, yes.
But I think you are wrong, because if anything is impossible, that means you have not tried it properly.
Yes. Can you suggest any trick or shortcut method to learn this language easily?
There is no shortcut to success, but there are some methods. If you will apply, then you can learn English easily.
Please tell me some such methods.
We learn a language when we use it. Likewise, if we want to learn English, we have to use it.
What? Is English a thing that we have to use?
No. What are you saying? Here, listening, speaking, reading, writing. These are the uses of English.
In school, we read and write, but listening and speaking?
If you want to speak correct English, then you have to listen. And if you want to write correct English, then you have to read. So these are the 4 skills of any language learning system: listening, speaking, reading and writing. And these 4 skills, they are interlinked. For speaking, listening is essential, and for writing, reading is essential. Okay?
That means without reading and writing, one can speak.
Yes, of course. Think about the uneducated persons. Can't they speak? Have they read or written the language anywhere?
Yes, you are right. We should think about it.
Yes, surely we should think about it. And the parents and the teachers, they should help the children to learn any language. This is one thing. And the other thing is, can you tell me what is the first thing that the child starts to do when he learns a language?
First thing, I think it is alphabets.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Now you just tell me what is the combination of alphabets.
Words.
And next, a combination of words.
It is a paragraph.
And combination of paragraphs. Yes, it is a chapter. Now, can you tell me which one is the most important thing in a language? It is word. To use any language, we should have a lot of word power. So every day, a child should learn at least 5 new words during the school time.
So, according to you, word power is important.
Yes, this is the thing that I want to make you clear. To be strong in a language, we must have a very strong word power.
These are all okay. But tell me, what the children will do to improve English?
These things they will do.
No. It is not clear. Tell me some exact methods.
Okay, let me tell you 5 important methods to improve English.
Yes, yes. I am waiting for that.
Number 1. Every day read at least 5 to 10 pages. Maybe from your English book, story book, or any novel, magazine, or newspaper, whatever it may be. And number 2, whatever you have read, write at least 2 to 3 pages. And number 3, watch news, English news, and also you can watch English movies that will help to improve your English. And number 4, speak before the mirror. Means stand before the mirror and start speaking in any topic. At least 5 to 10 lines. Every day speak before the mirror. And the last one, the 5th point, make a word diary. It's quite essential for the learners, new learners. So write or add at least 5 words every day in your word diary. When you come across any new word, add that in your word diary.
Do you think that if a child will follow these methods, his or her English will improve?
Undoubtedly.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's too late. I will go back right now. Okay, we will meet some other day. Yes, nice to meet you.
Same here. Bye, take care.